Hello everyone, welcome back once again. As we know that we have already discussed the first part of the chapter Earth and the changes on it in our previous video. So today we are going to discuss the second part of the same chapter. And if you haven't read the first part yet, so please go through it. The link of the same is in my description box. So kids, today we will start from the topic soil. Soil is the loose particles of rocks which cover the earth's surface. It is made up of organic and inorganic particles. Organic particles are derived from plants, animals, actually dead remains of animals and bacteria. Whereas inorganic particles are derived from rocks. They include loose particles of different sizes. The large particles are called gravel and the smaller ones are called sand, silt and clay. Here is another important term that you should be aware of, that is humus. Humus present in soil helps in its fertility. When organic particles get decomposed and change into dark colored material, that is called humus. Dear kids, as I'm trying to explain all these topics in very simple language, so I hope you all are getting it clear. And in case if you are having any queries regarding to these topics, then please let me know through comment section so that I can solve it. Now, the next topic is formation of soil. Forming of soil is a very slow process. It takes thousands of years to form a thin layer of soil. As mentioned earlier, the weathering process breaks the rock into smaller particles. I have mentioned this in my previous video. So, these are then carried away by water, wind, etc. and later get deposited at a new place. Such soil is called transported soil. But when the soil is formed by the weathering of a parent rock and remains present on the same site, it is called residual soil. So, the next topic is distribution of major soil types. In India, the soil is mainly of four types: alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, and laterite soil. Number one is alluvial soil. It is found over a large part of the country. It is mainly formed by the work of river and is confined to the northern and coastal plains. This type of soil is very fertile and forms major agricultural lands over country. Number 2 is black soil. It is found in Deccan Plateau. This type of soil is confined to some parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Karnataka. This soil has an ability to retain moisture and become sticky when wet. It is largely used for growing cotton and thus it is popularly known as cotton soil. Number 3 is red soil. As the name suggests, this soil is red in color due to the presence of iron particles. Red soil is confined to peninsular India and some patches of northeastern part of India. Number 4 is laterite soil. It is formed over the hill slopes of peninsular plateau. The laterite soil is found in regions of heavy rainfall. So, at last kids, we must understand that soil erosion is a serious problem affecting land all over the world. In certain areas, the soil erosion has become a menace which cause decline in the crop yield. This is happening due to wrong human practices like cutting of trees, overgrazing of animals, beside many other reasons. This needs to be managed through appropriate measures such as plantation of trees, selective agricultural practices like crop rotation, and a multiple cropping method. This also needs mass awareness and adoption of these practices at local level. So kids, that's all for today. Your chapter is completed now. You can ask any question related to this chapter through comment section. And one more thing, if you want to download the SST book for free, then go check the description box for the free download. Till then, bye bye, take care, keep reading.